"Did you ever notice how you talk differently when it's dark?" asked the boy. "You get all quiet and whisper, even when you know there's no need to, because nobody else is there. You start to pay more attention to the little sounds and noises surrounding you. Some of them are there constantly, but you never pay enough attention to hear them. You are abstracted by things your eyes think are important, but they're really not important, at least most of the time. Your eyes can trick you, you know. They can make something look different or make you focus on the wrong things. And when you see something, you never know if it's really the way it looks to you, because your brain is able to modify the picture. At least that's what I learned in school, when I still used to go. But when you don't use your eyes and only feel the shape, hear the noise it makes and smell something, it tells you so much more. You get closer to the truth, but every time you think you almost got it, you get distracted again by something forcing you to open your eyes, making you look at all the fake stuff designed to fool you, to hide true meaning. That's what they would want, of course, keep us away from true meaning. It numbs you to look at it all day. You forget things may be different than they appear. You get more willing to just accept things you see as the truth, the longer your eyes tell you to look at them. I hate how people rely on their visual sense only. It has to be true. I saw it with my own eyes, they say. Don't they realize how dull it is to say something like that? Why do people even judge things by the way they look and not their purpose or importance? Pretty things get way more attention. I think that's their plan all along. But let's not pursue this. It will only upset me, and Mom told me not to get upset anymore. I really want my mom to be happy again. She's different since it happened. I tried to explain it to her, how it was the right thing to do, to escape them, you know, but I felt she didn't understand me. She wished it never happened. She didn't say so, but I sensed it. I experience things different now that I've freed myself. Everything seems way more intense than before. I got so good I can even sense when someone is about to say something before anyone else can, or react to movements others haven't even yet noticed. I don't understand why others think the way they do about what I did. I know it was the only thing I could do to free myself from the false images and the non-recognition of things they were planting in my mind. If I hadn't done it, it would have driven me insane sooner or later, rather sooner, I think. I couldn't bear it any longer. No one seems to realize that I really saved myself. No one sees it as a good thing, because they made them too numb already. But you understand I had to do it, don't you? You are aware of them. There was no other way, can't you see? I'm not numb anymore. I'm happy now, and only then did I realize what happiness is. It's different to what everyone thinks it is. It's all different, everything. Why does no one else want to know the truth? You all have to know the truth. How can you not want to know? How can you lead your life like that, subdued by them, fooled about everything? But there's a way out, believe me. I found a way, the only way. Is that why you did this to yourself? Harmed you in such a way? Asked the doctor. To escape them, I had to choose a life in the dark.